Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so let's tap on Reset Settings. Of course we have to confirm it with our screen lock, and be aware that you cannot undo this action. Let's tap on Reset Settings again, and as you can see we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.